Our second station is diagonal cross-court dinking, and here basically we are continuing the skills that we learned in our first event, which was face-to-face and not diagonal cross-court dinking, or just sometimes called basic dinking. Again, the object is to be cooperative and keep the ball in play, which means it has to be inside the no volley zone or kitchen line, and you want to keep it going as long as you can. And these students are doing very well. They are doing paddle to paddle, both forehand and backhand, and notice that it's on diagonal. So now we've injected a second ball, which means that you really have to concentrate on this cross-court dinking because you have another ball that you're watching and also have to keep both balls going at the same time. Again, you should inject the use of your legs, come up with a smooth upward motion. Make sure that the ball is accurate, and as you become more proficient with this drill, you can actually make it dynamic and move your partner around so it's just not as cooperative. So as our beginning students become more proficient doing this drilling, then they can add more complexity to the drill and force the opponent to work harder, work on their footwork, work on their strokes, their hand grip, which is very important, and we'll talk more about that later. Grips from like 1 to 10, which is very tight, and when you should have a loose grip and when you should have a tight grip. So now again, we are having two balls, diagonal cross court, and this is what we call station number 2. So we started out beginning with just basic cross court, and now we're doing it on a diagonal. We're doing both forehand and backhand, and the advantage of using two balls is that you get a lot of repetition with the students. So that's our second drill for this particular series, and we will progress now to the next station.